One, there is this sort of growing debate, growing angst about China, and that China is somehow becoming more difficult to analyze, and deliberately so from the government's point of view, because they're making this data disappear sort of in order to make people less aware of the economic problems that China might be having. So I think that's kind of in the ether of people are discussing about China. The second thing is to talk about the data in more broader terms. And I think related to that, and kind of there's a few points I want to make. The one, I think that first thing isn't really true, right? Like, I mean, data is always difficult in China, to be frank. I think there's very little evidence that there's a lot of data disappearing. And I certainly don't think there's very good evidence that that data is disappearing in order to make it more difficult to discover what's happening. Or at least if that is the case, the government is doing a terrible job, because we all know a lot of the economic problems that China has.